I'm with Brad Field, and welcome, Brad.
Thank you.
And just to introduce Brad to the rest of the Gospel for Africa team and to others who have been watching these videos, Brad has joined with us in the Gospel for Africa and is a part of the team, and is very excited about being involved in missions going forward. So Brad, just briefly, some background, who you are and the call that God's placed upon your life.
Okay, so I'm Bradley Field. I'm 20 years old now. I'm studying Actuarial Sciences through the University of London, and I'm a Shark supporter. I always get an opportunity to tell people that. Yeah, so just kind of my desire for that kind of led me to wanting to be part of this work is. Since I've been 12 years old, I've just had a burning desire to want to be a missionary, to want to be full-time involved in God's work and in ministry, and it's just been a massive burning. And I've almost every night I pray that the Lord would use me in this way, and that I get the opportunity to use it. So it's a massive desire of my heart. As I kind of have grown with the Lord, I always thought that I needed to be good enough to become a missionary. I needed to spend enough time in the Bible. I needed to understand all the doctrines the right way. I needed to have the right ministry and the right speaking style and whatever. And then God would allow me, and then God would use me. And so that kind of changed when I went to a youth camp this year, and the Lord, it wasn't exactly what was ministered in the words, but more just how things were ministered. They were, every single ministry was the right words at the right time, and it was done through different people. There was maybe somebody who stammered a little bit while he ministered, another guy spoke nicely, another guy had energy, another guy was more monotone. But every single ministry spoke straight into my heart because it was at the unction of the Holy Spirit. It was the Lord speaking. It wasn't the people speaking. And that realization really liberated me. That it's the Lord that will speak, not me. So I don't have to be good enough for Him to choose me. I don't have to be the best preacher, or I don't need these things to make that team, to make the missionary team. No, I just need to have my life devoted to Jesus. And He'll use me, and so that's kind of where I am at the moment.
Fantastic, Brad, and it's such an encouragement. That's how it is. You know, it's God who calls us. God puts that passion and that desire, and God gives that gift, and so you're really just being faithful now to the call of God upon your life, and you'll grow, you'll develop, you'll learn many things, you'll endure many things. But really, it's a great encouragement, and to have a young person with such a desire and a passion for the purposes of God is a real encouragement. And so to the team, the GFA team, and the various countries that we involved with, God willing, on the trips, Brad will be joining us to the different countries, meeting the different leaders in those different countries, and slowly building, Brad, and getting to know the guys, and you'll go with me on some of the trips, but then as things develop, you're on your own, boy.
Praise the Lord.
Amen. So thank you so much, Brad, for spending this time with us.
Thank you.
Thanks.